rainbow has 7 colors. VidGear helps me to remember all the colors in the rainbow every time. I'm gonna show you one right here. Were you able to see all the 7 colors? Well, I did. Well, I got my personal rainbow in here and I can take it everywhere I want. You must be wondering how I managed to trap it. This device is a kaleidoscope and it reflects light into its various colors. To make your own kaleidoscope, let me show you what you need. Cardboard tube, tape, scissors, 3 strips of mirror, paintbrush and paint in different colors, sparkly sequins, a paper peephole, a rainbow peephole. Take the cardboard tube and paint it whatever color you want. I've painted mine black. Let me put some finishing touches. While I let it dry, let's work with the mirror strips. Now take the mirror strips, put them down, make sure the shiny surface is facing downwards, and tape the mirror pieces 2 at a time. We have to leave a gap because the mirrors have to fold into a prism. I'm gonna tape them together by folding them and carefully gluing them together. So this is the prism that you get when you tape all the 3 pieces of mirror together. When the cardboard tube is dry, we're gonna take the paper peephole and put it through the tube. This is where I can see my rainbow through. Carefully insert the glass prism into the tube and the rainbow peephole filled with sparkly sequins goes in here. Now look through the peephole at the light source, rotating it slowly. You will see your personal rainbow. Let me show you what you need again. Cardboard tubes, tape, scissors, 3 strips of mirror, paintbrush, paints in different color, sparkly sequins, paper peephole, rainbow peephole.